आज आपण बघणार आहोत थेरम ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल. स्टेटमेंट इथे लिहून ठेवलेली आहे. व्हेन टू ट्रायंगल आर सिमिलर द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ दोज ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ द स्क्वेअर्स ऑफ देअर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स. या ठिकाणी दोन ट्रायंगल दिले आहे, ABC ट्रायंगल आणि PQR. हे दोन ट्रायंगल घेतले आपण इथे लिहू शकतो गिवनमध्ये. फक्त गिवनमध्ये गिवन ट्रायंगल ABC सिमिलर ट्रायंगल PQR एवढंच आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे. ठीक आहे. आपण आता कन्स्ट्रक्शन करूया. कन्स्ट्रक्शन ड्रॉ AD परपेंडिकुलर टू साइड BC. Similarly draw PS परपेंडिकुलर टू ट्रायंगल ABC. AD परपेंडिकुलर टू BC आपण काढलेला आहे आणि PS परपेंडिकुलर टू QR काढलेला आहे. आपण लिहूया इथे सेगमेंट AD परपेंडिकुलर टू साइड BC and segment PS perpendicular to side QR. प्रूव्ह काय करायचं आहे? टू प्रूव्ह द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल. रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR इज इक्वल टू द स्क्वेअर ऑफ देअर करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड. आता AB ची करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड कोणती होईल? PQ. AB करस्पॉन्डिंग PQ, BC करस्पॉन्डिंग QR अँड AC करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड कोणती होईल? PR. आणि त्यामुळे AB ची करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड AB करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड PQ म्हणजे AB स्क्वेअर डिवाइडेड बाय PQ स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू BC स्क्वेअर डिवाइडेड बाय QR स्क्वेअर is equal to AC square divided by PR square. This we have to prove it. Proof. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Therefore AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by PR. So this is the definition of the similarity of two triangles. This is the original definition. Okay. Then and their corresponding angles are congruent. Angle B congruent to angle Q. These are the corresponding angles. Similarly, angle C congruent to angle R and angle BAC congruent to QPR. Okay, but we just only take angle B and angle Q, and therefore I write here angle B congruent to angle Q. Now in triangle ABD, this triangle we select and this triangle here, and triangle PQS triangle. Okay, taking corresponding between these two triangles is equal to what? ABD PQS. Therefore angle B congruent to angle Q from 1. Okay, according to definition this is from 1. Okay, this is a complete 1 angle B. Now this angle ADB is also congruent to angle PSQ. Okay, so ADB and PSQ, these two angles are what? 90 degree, and therefore we write both 90. Therefore we can say that triangle ABD similar to triangle PQS. Here which test? By AA test. Similar, therefore we can say that AB divided by PQ, which is equal to BD divided by QS, which is also equal to AD divided by PS. AD divided by PS. Therefore second. Now here AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Here also AB, this ratio AB upon PQ, this ratio AB upon PQ are same. Therefore all these ratio, these and these are equal, and therefore we can say that from 1 and 2 we get AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR, BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. AB upon PQ is also equal to this much. Therefore, we can write here AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS, which is equal to AD upon PS. Means here all these 5 ratio are equal. Okay, from 1 and 2. Now, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Okay. The ratio of area of triangle, that is theorem number 1, starting theorem, is equal to product of their bases and their height. Here the base of this triangle ABC is BC and its height is equal to what? AD. What is the base of triangle PQR? QR, and its height PS. Okay. Now this can be written as BC upon QR into AD upon PS. I separate this ratio. Now BC upon QR into, now AD upon PS, this ratio AD upon PC, this ratio is AD upon PS is also equal to what here? BC upon QR. Okay, from 3, and therefore instead of AD upon PS we can write BC upon QR. Okay, therefore PC into BC, that is BC square, and QR into QR, QR square. In this way we can show that here their corresponding side, the square of the ratio of the square of the corresponding is equal to ratio of the area of the given to triangle. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is also equal to BC square upon QR square. But what is the value of BC upon QR? BC upon QR is nothing but here AB upon PQ. Therefore, instead of this ratio we can write this ratio, and therefore square of this is equal to what here? AB square divided by PQ square, which is also equal to AC square upon PR square. Okay, and therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is also equal to AB square upon PQ square, corresponding square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, which is equal to BC square upon QR square, second corresponding sides, and third is AC square divided by PR square. Okay, hence code. Now I take one extra example here. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 16 and area of triangle PQR is equal to 25. Then find the ratio of their sides AB divided by PQ. Actually, these are the corresponding side of these two triangles in a triangle. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Then, by theorem of area of similar triangle, okay, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. It means here the ratio of area of these two triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides, which is equal to, so this can be written as AB divided by PQ whole square also. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 16, area of triangle PQR is equal to 25, and this is AB divided by PQ. Okay. So 16 is the square of 4, 25 is the square of 5, and therefore this can be written 4 by 5 whole square, AB divided by PQ whole square. Okay. Taking square root on both sides. Therefore, AB divided by PQ is equal to 4 by 5. This is the answer.